welcome. My name is MC. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take a simple everyday makeup to a notch higher, like from daytime look to nighttime look. So just using your simple everyday thing you have. So let's start. So I have my eye makeup done. So I'm concentrating on the eye. I'm not going to focus on the lips because I'm a lady. I like nude lips. So not like I like nude lips, but today I'm in the mood for nude lips. Okay. This is an eyeliner, so I'm going to use the eyeliner to line the eyes. I have stones here. This is maroon. You can see the stones here, the pencil. So what I'm going to use is just use it to pop the under eye. So let's just get into it. So first thing first, I'm going to use this to pop my under eye. Like if you notice, I have white liner in, but not a lot. So I'm just going to go in with this green, just under. So that's it. I'm just going to smudge it. And then that's all. That's all. Then I go in with my marker liner. Just this one. Them tip. This tip is what I need. So I go in. And then I wing. So I want more drama, so I'm going to wing it out. That's it. You can take it to go. So it's kind of like slanted, but upwards. The detail is really sharp. Can you see? So I don't want it done. So then I clean out the edges. Easy. So really sink into the rest. So I go in with my powder. By just lining my eye with a green pencil and winging out my eyeliner, I look really transformed, like change look. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this and then I stone it. And stone it. It's as simple and stone it. It's as simple as ABC. Glue that can work on the eyelash will definitely do. So, but this is the one I'm using for this stone. So what you'll be needing is your pair of tweezers so that you can, stay on point. The back of my hand, like that, and then I take the bottom of this and then I target where I want to put the stone. So that's it. Same thing the other side. So that's it. So I allow to get tacky with it, and if I want to put it elsewhere, I can, maybe in the corner of my eye, but I think it's okay like this. I don't want it too much. So then I take the stones. I'll allow this to get tacky a bit, so that I don't just put it and it start moving around. Allow that to get tacky a bit. So I take the tweezer inside the stone. So I take my tweezer and then pick the stones. That's it. So I take another stone. So what do you think? Easy, right? Guys, that's how to apply paste stones to the eyes. So I hope you learned something. I hope you like it. So thank you so much guys for watching. So guys, so it's as simple as ABC, like very easy to do. So if you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you know when I post videos, share, tell your friends about this channel. Another thing I would love to do is I would love to read comments from you. Please drop comments in the comment section below. So till my next video guys, bye.